In today's competitive business environment, staying ahead is vital for success. SPOSEA's BrightPrice suite, integrated with SAP, helps you quickly spot, fix and avoid profit loss in real time. Streamline your pricing tasks, including analytics, campaigns and rebates, using SOX-compliant approval workflows. This ensures you always sustain winning prices, the key to keeping and growing your customer base. BrightPrice is designed to support all of those involved in pricing management and optimization: sales managers, product managers and finance. IT can be confident that our native SAP integration enhances their SAP strategy. This is what our customers are saying. As the IT director responsible for our technology roadmap, I insist on pricing tooling that seamlessly integrates into our SAP. Just like all commercial directors, I struggle to align budgets and targets with the appropriate selling prices. In my role as a sales manager, I often wonder how to elevate my sales reps' price levels. For pricing managers like myself, updating all customer prices in 2 days seems impossible. As someone dealing with financial intricacies, ensuring proper governance before price changes is a constant concern. As a product manager, I often wonder how to effectively translate product features into tangible pricing strategies. 9 out of 10 B2B companies using SAP rely on time-consuming and error-prone manual pricing. This not only eats up time, but leaves room for margin erosion, as reacting swiftly to market changes becomes a challenge. Companies using pricing software, on the other hand, operate at 5 to 10% higher efficiency on a margin level. Don't let your competition seize the opportunity while you're stuck in the slow lane. SPOSEA helps you set your focus on pricing. Introducing BrightPrice, the powerful pricing software that deploys data-driven, winning pricing strategies with complete transparency. Say goodbye to manual, slow, error-prone pricing. Experience a significant boost to your top-line performance, translating to an impressive gain of 16 million euros in annual margin for a 2 billion euro revenue. Achieve a 5 times faster quotation throughout time, less errors, improved governance, and more time for analytics and better pricing strategies. Lead the pack with real-time pricing analytics, helping to avoid margin erosion, saving a substantial amount of euros every month. Optimize your entire pricing cycle with BrightPrice Insights, Build, Deal and Rebate Manager. Our powerful analytics are always at your fingertips, streamlining decisions and approvals with our user-friendly interface. Don't let outdated pricing strategies hold you back. Unlock the power of pricing with BrightPrice and sustain your winning margins. BrightPrice. Set your focus on pricing.